I have lost $100,000 funded account. Almost. In this video, I'm gonna show you what happened for the last 3 months, and it's absolutely meltdown disaster. If you have a short attention span, you can click off this video. If you don't want to learn anything new in your trading journey, you can click off this video. If you're here only for entertainment, you can stay. If you want to learn something new, potentially, you can stay as well. But if you're not interested in this video, you can just click away right now. I give you 5 seconds for that to do that. Alright, you're still here. Let's have a look. On my Alpha Capital dashboard, yes, I'm funded with Alpha Capital. I believe they are the best funded company out there this year. There was never a problem with my withdrawals, or haven't heard about any problems with withdrawals. So they're very, very, very reliable and never been any problem. Anyway, let's get on my dashboard here. You can see this is my account metrics, and let's have a look for the last 3 months, because that's where it all started. I'm gonna show you first when it started, what happened, and then why it happened, and what is my, not new resolution, but what is my going forward learning lesson. So let's do 1st of October till December, January. So today is 2nd of January 2025. Why is not working? Okay, let's go again. 1st of October till, oh, maybe I can't do 2nd of January because it's just today. It's not in the States yet, the date. Yeah, that's right. So until yesterday, 1st of, no, that's still December. Why is it December? I want January. Hold on a second. 1st of October till, let's do 31st. Okay, so that's until 31st of December 2024. So the last year, for the last 3 months. And you can see this is my balance, my equity. This is the blue line or greenish line. So what happened here, I was a little bit in a drawdown. I had my withdrawal before this one. You can't see that. I had my withdrawal and I got in a little bit of drawdown, but I got it back to 100,500, and I kind of balanced it all over that for a week, maybe 2. And what happened, this is where it comes the funny part. This is where your confidence, because I just became profitable this year, right? And I had my 2 withdrawals. I almost made all my money which I invested into Forex since last year. And my confidence were through the roof. I'm thinking, you know, I can do this. I was always after withdrawal in a drawdown. It's always happened to me. I had a withdrawal. I went drawdown like 2-3k, and I got it back, and I made a profit. Withdrawal 2-3k, and so on and so on. But this time, you can see my confidence. I'm thinking, you know what, this is fine. This is gonna be alright. But look what happened from 23rd of October. Dip all the way down to, what is this? 97 and a half. Then I went back a little bit, and then since 29th of October, it just went downhill every single week. It's just we going down all the way to $90,500. So I have remaining $631 to trade with. So if I get it to 90k, as you know, you blew your account is shut down, and the only option is that to buy a new one, buy a new challenge, and then pass the challenge and do it all over again. I don't want to do that. I believe a lot of traders would just say, you know what, screw it, it's this or nothing. But I don't want to do it because I'm still not consistently profitable. Meaning, if I'm not consistently profitable, why would I want to blow this account and get a new challenge for funded account when I can just keep trying to get this account back up to 100k? Because I believe if you get in a massive drawdown like I am, basically 10k, and I can get it back up to break even and make profit, to me, you are or will be very profitable trader, and you have the guts, you have the technique, the strategy, and everything else you need to be a good trader. So If you're losing right now in your funded account and you don't know what to do and you feel like just blowing it off and you're not consistently profitable, then why would you want to blow it off? If you're a constantly profitable trader, you should not probably not even watching my channel. And if you get there, you don't really care because you just pay a new challenge and just make quickly, pass the challenge and make profits. So it doesn't really apply to you. But if you're somewhat profitable trader or non-profitable trader and you somehow, for whatever reason, you get funded, don't just blow it off. Just keep grinding. If I said it in a cringy way, just keep pushing it, because what's the point? Pay another $500 or $1,000 for a new account. So just stick with that. So yeah, this is what happened for the last 3 months. You can see the number of trades, 200. I believe this is for the whole account since started. You can see 30% win rate. 30% win rate. But believe or not, when I actually got funded, my first round, my first challenge, second challenge. So first challenge you have to make 8%. Second challenge you have to make 5%. My winning, my win rate was only, I believe, 50% or 48%, and I still got funded. So you don't need to be 70, 80% in a win rate. You really need just 50, because if you're winning more than you lose, then 50% is alright, right? Anyway, so currently it is 2nd of January. I'm currently in a trade. I was in 2 trades. I'm gonna show you here. Gold, I did trade this, and this was 1 to 2 or 1 to 2.2. I could have left it longer, but I just needed. This is the thing when you trade, when you do trading, right? If you've been on losing streak like I was for the past 3 months, if you just get 1 or 2 winning trades, you can build your confidence back up. So that's why I traded this, and I took my profit, and I just went away. I wasn't even risking much. It was really minimum from my account. So if you're on losing streak, try to get 1 or 2 trades winning, and then your confidence will build up. Anyway, so this is a gold. I still like this trade. You can see on a daily we are still very bearish. What I'm waiting for now is something like this one to break down, retest this area, and continue down. But currently it's Thursday, so I don't know if that's gonna happen to re-enter the trade. Maybe we just explode up. And then I'm currently in GPP CAD. I wanted to short it here, and then this just exploded, and I wanted to long it here in this area, because it would be a nice touch of support, but we just broke it, and now we look like head and shoulders. You can see here, beautiful head and shoulders, shoulder, head, boom. So what I'm waiting for, we already broke this one actually, so you can do something like this. So we already broke this shoulder, so we're retesting currently, and I entered the trade. I believe we're gonna continue potentially all the way down here to the support, but that would be nice. 1 to 5, yeah, 1 to 5. That's would be pretty nice, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not risking too much again, because I can't really risk too much. Look at my balance, $600. So it is what it is. I'm not here to lie to you, any of your viewers, watchers sitting at home and struggling with your trading journey. I'm not here to pulling your nose and telling you, hey, look at my good trading weeks and winning trades. This is the real shite, if I have to say. This is the real trenches where you learn and you master trading. You have to go through this stress and disbelief and non-confidence and etc. Anyway, I really liking this trade, especially now this half an hour candle, how it's going, the new one. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, that's it from me. I just wanted to record a new video because I haven't been on YouTube for a long time, and I realize a lot of you guys like it, me sharing my journey of my funded account and being constantly profitable, which I'm not yet. But there is either this, or you find me dead on the road That's it. I have nothing else to say. So if you like this video, you can push the like button, and you can also subscribe, put the notification on, and I will see you probably next week, ladies and gents. See ya.